Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Afa teacher and I'm from Iskandar school. Today again I'm here to teach you a science lesson. But before we go into our lesson or even discuss this topic for today with you all, let's first see the learning intention and success criteria for today. Learning intentions. To identify the soil characteristics and properties, especially permeability, porosity, texture and color. To identify soil samples in relation to plant growth. Today's success criteria is that you should be able to draw and label the layers of soil. Write down at least one difference for the three types of soil. To plant trees, right? And also we all love to see a flower blooming in our plants. For this to happen or for a healthy plant to grow, we need a healthy soil or a fertile soil. The soil should be able to provide the necessary minerals and all the soil life it can for a healthy plant to grow. Not only this, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth and most of the land areas on earth is covered with soil. So I was thinking, why not wonder how this soil is formed?
What is the process of soil formation? When we think of soil, we know that these are tiny debris-like particles. And also, let's see, those who study about soil are known as pedologists. I just thought that this name would be interesting for you all. Now, our first question is where and how? It all starts from weathering of rocks. And this is the process where rocks gets weathered and break into small pieces. Mainly this is caused from rivers, wave currents, glaciers, rain and wind. Now our question is, how does it happen? Well, let's see. When it rains and water falls into the rocks, the water sweeps, or let's say it escapes into the cracks, as you can see from the picture also. These water that are now trapped in the cracks freezes when the temperature drops. Frozen water expands and puts pressure on the walls of the rocks, and this pressure is more than enough to break down the rocks into little pieces, making sand.
Another way that rocks break into little particles is from the roots of the plants. What happens here is that there are some plants that are capable of growing on bare rocks without any soil. These plants, as you can see in the pictures as well, these plants create cracks in the rocks. And again, the same process is repeated. When it rains, the water sweeps into the cracks of these rocks and freezes, and it puts pressure on the rock, causing it to break down into little pieces. Due to the action of heat and rain, the rocks break into smaller particles and it gets mixed up with dead plants and animals to form soil. Now the earth is covered in soil, right? And it has different layers or we have different types of soil. So the next part of our lesson is going to be where we are going to learn about the layers of soil. To make it more interesting for all of you, I have included a video from which we all are going to just summarize what we have learned from the video, because this layers of soil is very important for you to be able to draw and label. The topmost part is known as humus, and this top layer of soil contains the remains of dead plants and animals. Next is the topsoil. Topsoil consists of minerals as well as organic matters. And then here we have subsoil. Subsoil is a layer that consists of some loose rock particles, maybe sand as well, or as clay as well. Then here we have the weathered parent rock. After the weathered parent rock, the last layer is known as a bedrock. It is the bottom layer which consists of solid rocks.
How soil feels and looks actually tells us the properties of the soil. It also tells us whether plants can grow in it or how much water it can hold as well. To see all these things, we have to go and check, or we have to understand the different types of soil and the properties of it. So the next part of our lesson is going to be where we learn about the different types of soil.
There are three types of soil: sand, silt, and clay. Well, actually, the difference between the types of soil is mainly identified because of the differences in its size. Now here from the picture also you can see, first we will go through sand. Sand has the largest particles and it feels rough. Sandy soil has the largest particles in it and it also has airspace between these particles. Because sandy soil has airspace between them, it lets the water drain through them very quickly. You can see sandy soil from our beaches as well, and as it doesn't hold so much of water, this soil or this sand does not even support the plant growth. One very good example is this sand castle here you can see. When we build a sand castle, it is very easily washed away with the waves, right? This is actually because the sand is not wet and it can't hold water. Now, the second type of soil that we are going to study today is silt. Silt has a medium-sized particles and it feels smooth when wet. As silt particles are in a medium size and they have smaller or less airspace in it, it can hold on to more water than the sandy soil does. Here is a very good example of silty soil. A human's or a bird's or even an animal's footprint can stick to a silty soil because it is wet and it can hold on to more water. The third one and the last type of soil is a clay soil. Clay has the smallest particles. Even from this diagram also you can see that clay has the smallest particles and it can feel sticky when wet. What can you see from this diagram or this picture? Well, from this picture you can see that because clay has the smallest particles, these rock particles are tightly packed together. You can see that clay particles have very little airspace, which means that they can absorb and hold on to most of the water. Clay soil has a very sticky and clayey texture. Clay soil can be brown or even in a red color. Wow, you can see this person making a pot, right? Well, potters use this soil to make pottery. And these pots come in very colorful colors, but mainly it is in brown or red. Next, we will see how a group of kids actually explores the texture of these three types of soil, and also they will be exploring what happens to these three types of soil when they put water into it.
When gardening, soil is the single most important variable to consider. Soil is valuable for a number of reasons: absorbing and retaining water, as a source of nutrients, as an anchor for the plant, and as a home to a myriad of visible and invisible forms of life. When classified by texture, there are three main types of soil: sandy, silt, clay, and the ideal mix, an equal combination of sand, silt, and clay, which is called loam. First, let's take a closer look at the three main types of soil texture. This is sand soil. Made up of larger granules, when wet, it won't hold shape at all. Silt soil is made up of medium-sized granules. When picked up, it has a floury, dry feel. When wet, it cannot hold shape well. Clay soil is very fine. It makes a hard crust after rain and holds its shape when wet. Now, let's look at how the three types absorb water. After 1 minute, our three types of soil have reacted very differently. Sand has almost completely absorbed the water. Silt has absorbed water, but significantly slower than sand. Clay is the slowest to absorb. Nearly all the water remains on top.
What is the best type of soil for growing plants? Sand does not hold enough water for most plants to grow. Clay holds water but does not contain the air that plants need. The best soil for growing plants is called loam, and it is a mixture of sand, silt, clay, and humus. Humus is made of decaying plants and animals. It adds nutrients to soil and gives it a darker color. The combination of soil and humus makes loam the best soil for growing plants because it has the perfect amount of air, water, and nutrients.
Now we have come to the most interesting part of today's lesson. We are going to do an experiment. And in this experiment, you will be able to observe the different layers of the soil, as well as you will be able to see how different the texture of each layer is. For this, we need some things. It's very easy. You need soil and water, as well as a jar. First, what you are going to do is, I'm going to pour all the soil into this jar. It will create a little bit of mess, but then it's okay. After I put all the sand into this jar, next I'm going to put all the water that I have. I have 2 glasses of water. I'm going to pour it. 1 glass. Okay, now I'm going to shake it a little bit. I'm going to place it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place the jar till all the sand, all the soil that you have poured into it settles down, and then all the humus in this goes actually up. Now you will be able to see the perfect result if you keep this jar overnight. That was a very good experiment, right? Now I have done my experiment here as well, and I kept it overnight, and see the result. Very nicely you can see the this is the humus, and you can see the fine clay here, and then the sand particles in the bottom. These particles are a little bit bigger than the particles on the top. Now that concludes today's lesson, and I want you all to do this experiment by yourself at home as well. I hope that you all enjoyed my lesson today as well, and I hope to see you again for another exciting lesson.
Here is today's task. Today, what you have to do is that in your exercise books, draw and label the layers of soil and color it very nicely. Also, the second question is that you have to write down the 3 types of soil and explain the differences in these 3 types of soil.